So one thing we need to know is a box and bullets plan represents your ideas and evidence. Your claim is your idea. So in this case, my claim is one way Alexi's the author, develops the theme of deception is through the moment when the judge tells Marie that her friends and family lied. Now my evidence is the actual quote that comes directly from the text. So in this case, my evidence is, but my friends, my voice coaches, my mother, they all say I'm great. They lied. So once you have your claim and your evidence, like I do here, you now have a plan to turn your work into a paragraph. Let's do this together. Step 1 is simple. Copy and paste your claim from your boxes and bullets. This was my claim 1 box, and this is exactly what I'm going to copy over. One way Alexi develops the theme is through the moment when the judge tells Marie that her friends and family lied. Copy paste. There it is. Step 1 is done. Step 2 is equally straightforward. Add a transition to include your evidence and then add your evidence from your boxes and bullets. So, this is my evidence, my quote, but I can't just copy it directly. I need a transition. Let me give this a try. I already had my first sentence, and now let me add a transition in front of my evidence. I'll say, in the text, comma, Marie says, but my friends, my voice coaches, my mother, they all say I'm great. And the judge responds, they lied. Now comes the important part. Now I need to explain how the evidence supports my theme. Step 3 is the means step, explaining what the evidence means by retelling. So I already have all this, but now I want to consider using a transition, like, in other words. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and angle my evidence and my explanation towards my theme. I'm going to show you how I do that. And when I'm writing about symbols, this is when you explain what the object stands for. But let me show you with moments right now. I'll use my sentence starter of in other words, and I'll write, in other words, the singer's loved ones have always told her, have always lied to her, that she's great, perhaps to make her feel better, when, in actuality, she's not a good singer at all. Now in step 4, my next step is to explain how the evidence relates, how it supports the theme I chose, so I actually have to mention the theme and tie this evidence back to my theme. A really helpful sentence starter is, this develops the theme of blank because. So this is what I already had, right? But now I'm going to actually mention how this evidence supports my theme, and I'm going to actually say the theme in the sentence. I might say, this develops the theme of deception. And notice how I actually said the theme there? This develops the theme of deception because the singer's family has deceived her, tricking her into thinking that she was a better singer than she actually is. Step 5 is my last step. This is where I explain why this all matters, or really what the statement of theme is, what we can learn about life. A helpful sentence starter I'm going to use is, this moment demonstrates that in life, and then add your statement of theme. Let me try this. So if this is what I already have, I'll go ahead and use that sentence starter, and I'll say that this moment demonstrates that in life, deception isn't always malicious. Sometimes we deceive the ones we love to protect them. Now remember, you can do this same work if you're working with a symbol instead of a moment. Step 1's the same. Copy and paste your claim from your boxes and bullets. I can add that in. Another way Alexi develops the theme of deception is through the symbol of the green room. Step 2 is add a transition to include your evidence, and then add your evidence from your boxes and bullets. So I need a transition before I actually drop in the quote. I'll say, in the text, after she learns the truth about her mother's lies, there's my transition. Marie returns to the green room and cries in her arms. Step 3 is to explain what my evidence means by retelling. This is where I'll actually talk about what the symbol means, right? I'll say a green room is where the actors go to relax and to be their authentic selves when they aren't on stage. Watch me in step 4 explain how my evidence relates to and supports the theme I chose. Because of this, the green room should represent honesty and authenticity. In this case, it instead stands for deception. the well-meaning deception of those who love us. Step 5, of course, I need to explain why this all matters. I need to tie it back to life, what we can learn about it, our statement of theme. And I'll use a sentence starter or transition to begin. I'll say, this helps us to understand that in life, those who love us may try to deceive us for our own good. So that's it. That's how to use boxes and bullets to organize your claim paragraphs. Big recommendation. Go back, rewatch this video, and pause, play, to do this work with me. Good luck. You got this.